So hello friends, today we are going to talk about method overloading and method overriding. So first we create a class and name it overload exam. Okay, now we create the method overloading example. So now we are going to create three similar functions like void over. So it's empty argument functions. First you understand overloading has the same functioning with different type of arguments. Okay, so don't forget same functioning with different type of arguments. So first in the first function we we don't um, pass any arguments. It's empty argument function. Okay, empty parameter function. Sorry, it's empty parameter function. So then the next function same name. So in this method we just first int argument int j. Okay, then we create another over function. So in this method we create a string j. So another function over, and in this method we pass two arguments int j1 comma string j2. So now we create a public static void main. So create a object for the class. So now if we uh, if we call sorry if we pass a empty parameter to that function, it will sorry. So now for our reference we create a system.out.print. So empty argument, so copy and paste integer argument string argument sorry both arguments. So if we run this program, wait, it will show the empty argument. So we won't pass any argument to these functions. So it will run the first method. So if we pass integer argument like 5, then it will run the second method. You can see, so integer argument. So if we pass two arguments like 5 and Raj, then it will go to the fourth method, both arguments. So okay friends, this is the overloading function, overloading method. So don't forget same function name with different type of arguments is called overloading. So another method, sorry, another, okay friends, this is how to create overloading. So my next tutorial I will show how to create a method overriding functions and what is method overriding. So thank you friends. Bye.